Welcome back to Market Pros. Okay, so we have Polis on FTX. All right, so I drew this, but I'm going to take it out because I think this is getting broke for sure. Now, first thing I want to mention, $1 Polis. We've been talking about $1 Polis since $6. Everyone thought I was crazy. Now we're at 88 cents. So, yeah. Um, and it's still downtrend. It's still going down. I mean, we could come to the bottom of this green box at 34 cents. There you go. Video over. No. Um, so yeah, on your daily, I mean, massive downtrend, but it looks like you're curling. All right. So this is pretty common for new coins as they pump, venture capital gets out, chop around, some redistribution, gets everybody bullish again on the higher high. Then it just curls over and starts accumulating. All right. So this could be one massive curved accumulation zone, but that would mean that we will go lower over time. Your momentum is definitely strong to the downside. I mean, you're in the oversold. You've been in the oversold for, a week. Below the signal line, your MACD's riding the zero line. Oh, okay. So you got rejected from the zero line. Your negative momentum's picking up slowly as your MACD increases its downside curvature. Vol's getting high. Your BBWP expanded all the way up. It's starting to get up to the red zone. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Here on the 4-hour. Okay, so looks like we bounced right off the bottom of that green zone that we had drawn for a while now. Let's go ahead and lower this down now. Get some more precision. So we are at a level of support right now that we had drawn out before. So we were ready for this. All right. We were ready for this whole move. Been talking about this for a while. All right. So your momentum, your RSI is in the oversold still. Bounced off the bottom of the bearish control zone. Front ran it a little bit. So your downside momentum is still strong. Weak bounce. Very weak bounce. That is not a sign of strength at all. The rest of the market bounced heavy. This barely bounced at all. So I definitely think we're breaking this level 100%, in my opinion. All right, so your MACD looks like it's coming back up. I would expect a test, not a cross, in my opinion, unless we can form a higher low here and come up to the 21. Then I think you could possibly come back up to $1.05. That might be your last chance. Your vol is very high. Your BBWP expanded all the way. It looks like it's starting to contract a little bit. So we could go sideways here. I mean, we could go sideways in this green zone. The green zone inside the green zone could go sideways here for a while. And then we'll talk about whether it rolls over or gets back up to the 50. All right, let's go down to the 1-hour. So yeah, here on the 1-hour, I mean, as you can see, we're going sideways. We did make if this is a confirmed high and we can get back above this 21 or a confirmed low, that will be a higher low. I would expect us to come up to the 50 and make a higher high. That could lead us up to $1 again. But between $1 and 105, I think we're getting rejected. I think that is the last rally before we break new all-time lows. So you are in the bearish control zone below that signal line. Your MACD looks like it's curling on over. Positive momentum is decreasing sharply. This could just curl on over. You know what I mean? But we need to see whether we make a higher low or not. We have no divergences to be aware of. And Polis looks weak. Let's move to Atlas, though. Atlas had a pretty strong bounce. All right. Now, it's still a lower high. Now, unless we can make this a higher low, that'll decide whether we have enough strength to go up to 0.0156 and the 200 along with the rest of the market. All right. So once again, your momentum got up there. You did get in the bullish control zone, came back down, tested that signal line. Looks like it's resuming off. Atlas don't look bad. It does not look bad right now. It kind of reminds me of Solana a little bit. It's got a little bit of strength. but it wouldn't take much for it to curl on over. I mean, your MACD positive momentum is waning a bit, as your MACD line looks like it's curling over a little bit, but you still look kind of strong. Your vol is high, and you're in the upper zone of the BBWP. And it looks like it stayed high, or it contracted a bit as you went up, but then it came back up. All right, so this bounce could still have some more juice in it. All right, and if you guys are liking the video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out our links in the description below, one being the Discord and all the other shill links. Yeah, check them out. There's actually some good products down there, like the Fold app. I got a few exchange affiliate links. Check those out. Follow me on Twitter, all that shit. All right, so those are my thoughts for Polis and Atlas. Stay nimble. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.